On the way to Sossusvlei, we stopped in Solitaire at the McGregor Desert Bakery to taste a slice of the legendary apple pie. This is not just a dot on the map or a gas station lost in the dusty heart of Namibia. Without Moose McGregor, it would probably have remained a forgotten corner of the desert, a speck in the middle of nowhere with no call. But Moose, an eccentric Scotsman with an adventurous soul, has transformed this lost place into an unmissable destination for every traveler who travels these roads. Solitaire has become a small sanctuary of stories and atmosphere, where time seems to slow down. Every corner of the bakery, from the old rusty cars that dot the landscape to the warm aroma of cinnamon and apples, tells a story. And that slice of cake, soft and spicy, almost seems to embody the soul of this place out of this world. Stopping here is not only a pleasure for the palate, but an experience that encompasses the charm of the desert. A bit of mystery, a bit of nostalgia, and a taste of a place that exists precisely because there is a story to tell.